awesome people, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to flash latest LineageOS 18.1 unofficial vanilla version. So for this we are using TWRP as this is recommended by the developer. So please use TWRP to flash this ROM and download the files from the description. Okay, so let's start this installation process. Go to Vibe, Advanced, select Data, Cache, System, Vendor. Swipe to Vibe. Okay, Vibe done. Now go to Install and flash the 11 firmware, Android 11 latest firmware. Now go to Home. Now install the ROM, LineageOS. Swipe to install. Okay, now go to install and now install GApps. Click on add more GIFs and then select Magics and then swipe to flash. Please be patient, don't do anything while it's in flashing. Okay, I don't see any error. Now go back. Now I'm going to flash DFE since my phone is encrypted. If your phone is not encrypted, then skip this part. Now swipe to install. Now just reboot the system. Okay, we can see the Lineage boot animation. This is it for this video, guys. This is how you can install this custom ROM on your Redmi K20 Pro. So thanks for watching this video. If this video is helpful for you and if you enjoy watching this type of content, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new video. Alright guys, take care, bye bye, peace out.